Our project is about to finish. I hope only this half month before 2021 is everything well done. The lower is still in the process. See how this lower work. This is solid steel, no, angular steel. Put the plastic because it's still raining. Waterproof is not work. Still not complete. The stair need grill. See the ceiling need the air conditioning need air grill. And the most this I love the electrical setup. See how safe this electrical. You see this? This is the main breaker. The lights. This is the earth, the black one. The ground, the earth. If you like to produce 110, one of this line, the other line, either this blue, red, and yellow. This electrical is 3-piece. The one, the red, the two, the yellow, and the black, the blue. The safety bulb, the main switch. There is 150 ampere by Alpanar, the very prestigious company here in Saudi Arabia. It works since 2010 maybe. See the individual circuit switches, the safety switches. How neat their work, the connection. See? The original switches. There is plastic from Thailand. Panasonic. Distributed from Thailand. And here the light, very good light combination. Not the first time I see this one. There is a ventilation inside, so the spotlight cannot stay hot because there is about 1 cm gap from the frame and to the spotlight, to the ceiling, interior ceiling. And also this one, that's what I said, there is lid. Oh, side you have like this. I wish to have in my home, but I don't know. See, this is the first room, the bedroom. The other bedroom, the last one, and the other one. There is 5 bedroom here. This made by concrete only because this is the last touch. If everything done, this will be covered by parquet, the wooden floor. You know. So just wait for my newest update here. This is the master bedroom. The white, this one, the white door with matching steel doorknob covered with plastic. And here, the wardrobe that is family size for in Philippines. One family can occupy this wardrobe, you know. Still in this one, still in development. See the unique master bathroom, the door, the sliding door. Wow, sliding door. The bathroom is still in maintenance. How many times they broke the tiles? This very expensive tiles. If you see, this is the modern tiles, the modern ceramics from India. You see, if you found the design, see, this is a modern ceramics. There is a American chair here. The remote is for the locking size, push, plus. Put here if you want to. There is a bathtub there. After there is this area, this is bathtub, the shower, the manual, and there is another one shower off. This one, the shower. See this one, and this is a master bedroom. Here is the headboard. That is the window. That is the headboard. And there is another, what is one? The switches in the floor. Unique. The solid window. And we see our neighbor. This is the parking lot of Prince Turki, the governor of Saudi Arabia. The governor of Riyadh. This is the parking, the car parking only. See what this will, the car parking for us in Philippines. That is already compound. See, from here till there, that is only car inside. If you see, and you see the up, this up. You see this one. That is solar. The solar system. And there is the guy, the old man, the very industrious man, no surrender for his construction alone. He have house construction, you know. See this one. This is Mr. Pedro. Still in light. And Master Bedroom, if they made another baby, this is a nursery, you know, nursery. This is a nursery room. Here, this man, he do his building alone. Now he reached rooftop. Finish already. See, very smart man, old man, and only see. If everything done, I will update this one for my content. That is, that's what I say. This one, the sliding door or bathroom. Very professional color, off-white, the antique white. Switches is still Panasonic. Still monkey position. See, it's very nice. Simple design. There is a elevator, the wooden design. See, still untouched. Not not yet finished, not like the ground floor entrance that is made by black marble. This lower also will be black, the matte black, and only. Thank you so much. It's maybe 15 days more, and I will say goodbye here. The bathroom, I mean, this is the bathroom. There's only one design. See, the bathroom, the hanging bowl. See, and there is glass, the wall glass, the shower, and the other one, the shower off. This will be the shower, and the ceramics. You see the ceramics, very professional color, but this one from this digital design by exclusively for children, but nice. And also the lock, very professional lock, stainless silver. It's all about off-white. So thank you so much. I hope this home will be my home. Bye bye for now.